Blueberries, with their burst of flavor and impressive health benefits, are a delightful addition to any garden. If limited space or specific soil conditions pose a challenge, fear not. Growing blueberries in containers offers a versatile and rewarding solution. We'll explore the ins and outs of container cultivation, ensuring you can savor the sweet rewards of homegrown blueberries in even the smallest of spaces. The right blueberry varieties for containers. 1. Low-bush blueberries. Ideal for compact containers, low-bush varieties, such as Vaccinium angustifolium, are well suited for patio or balcony gardening. They also offer stunning fall foliage, adding ornamental value. 2. Half-high blueberries. A perfect compromise between compact size and high yield, half-high varieties, like Vaccinium corymbosum angustifolium hybrids, thrive in containers, providing an abundance of delicious berries. 3. Dwarf blueberries. Specifically bred for container cultivation, dwarf blueberry varieties such as Top Hat are a go-to choice for small space gardening, ensuring a bountiful harvest without overwhelming your container. Container selection and preparation. 1. Choosing the right container. Opt for large containers with a minimum diameter of 18 inches to accommodate the blueberry's shallow, fibrous root system. Ensure the container has drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. 2. Well-draining soil mix. Create a specialized soil mix by combining acidic potting soil, peat moss, and perlite or vermiculite. Blueberries thrive in acidic conditions with a pH between 4.5 and 5.5. 3. Sunlight requirements. Blueberries demand plenty of sunlight, ideally at least 6-8 hours daily. Place your container in a sunny location, adjusting as needed to capture optimal sunlight throughout the day. Planting and maintenance. 1. Planting depth. When transplanting blueberries, ensure the soil level matches that of the nursery container. Planting too deep can lead to root rot, while planting too shallow may expose roots to drying. 2. Pruning for container growth. Regular pruning helps manage the size of your blueberry plant. Remove any dead or weak branches, and encourage an open canopy to promote airflow and sunlight penetration. 3. Watering routine. Blueberries prefer consistently moist soil. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry, ensuring the water reaches the root zone. Avoid waterlogged conditions, as blueberries are susceptible to root diseases. 4. Fertilization strategy. Use a balanced, acidic fertilizer specifically formulated for blueberries. Apply in early spring, following the package instructions, and refrain from over-fertilizing to prevent nutrient imbalances. 5. Mulching benefits. Mulch around the base of your blueberry plant to retain soil moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Pine straw or pine bark is an excellent choice, contributing to the acidic environment blueberries love. Addressing common issues. 1. Pest management. Keep a watchful eye for pests like aphids or spider mites. Treat infestations with insecticidal soap or neem oil, ensuring to cover the undersides of leaves. 2. Disease prevention. Prevent fungal diseases by providing good air circulation, avoiding overhead watering, and using disease-resistant varieties. Apply fungicides as a preventive measure following the recommended schedule. Harvesting blueberries. 1. Timing for harvest. Blueberries are ready for harvest when they attain their full color and easily detach from the stem. Harvest during the cooler parts of the day to preserve the fruit's quality. 2. Enjoying your bounty. Fresh blueberries are a delight on their own, but consider incorporating them into various culinary creations, from smoothies and desserts to jams and sauces. Growing blueberries in containers is a rewarding endeavor that opens the doors to homegrown goodness, even in limited spaces. By understanding the specific needs of blueberries and following the guidelines provided, you can cultivate these delicious berries with success. Embrace the joy of container gardening, savor the sweetness of your homegrown blueberries, and relish in the satisfaction of bringing a bountiful harvest to your own table. Happy growing!